Welcome back to Power Drive, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we have something special for all budget car lovers: the 2025 Suzuki Mehran. Yes, you heard it right, Suzuki has revived the iconic Mehran, and we're here to tell you everything about it. For decades, the Mehran was the ultimate choice for those looking for an affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient car. After being discontinued, its absence was felt by many, but Suzuki has now brought it back with a modern twist. Let's dive into the details and see what the new Mehran has to offer. Starting with the design, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran carries forward its classic compact shape but with a much-needed facelift. The front features sleek LED headlights with DRLs, a redesigned grille, and a sportier bumper. Suzuki has kept the dimensions similar to the old Mehran, making it perfect for navigating tight city streets. The side profile remains simple, but the new alloy wheels give it a fresh look, and the rear end now sports stylish taillights and a more refined design. Under the hood, Suzuki has made significant improvements. The 2025 Mehran comes with a 660cc fuel-injected engine, ensuring better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The engine produces around 50 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but for a small car like the Mehran, it's more than enough for daily commuting. Paired with a 5-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission, this car is designed to deliver a smooth and economical drive. Fuel economy has always been a strong point for the Mehran, and this new version continues the legacy. Expect mileage figures of around 22 to 25 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its category. With rising fuel prices, this could be a game-changer for those looking for an affordable way to get around. Step inside, and you'll find a more refined cabin than before. While still basic, Suzuki has upgraded the dashboard with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, and even power windows in higher trims. The seats offer better cushioning for comfort, and the improved cabin insulation makes for a quieter ride compared to its predecessor. When it comes to safety, Suzuki has finally addressed some concerns. The 2025 Mehran comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS, seatbelt reminders, and an improved body structure for better crash protection. While it's not the most advanced in safety, it's a huge step up from the old model. Pricing is where the Mehran has always stood out, and Suzuki has managed to keep it budget-friendly. The expected starting price is around PKR 1.8 million, making it one of the most affordable new cars on the market. This makes it an excellent option for first-time car buyers, students, and families looking for a reliable ride without breaking the bank. So, what do you think of the all-new 2025 Suzuki Mehran? Will it reclaim its position as Pakistan's favorite budget car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Power Drive for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more.